battery box is a must for auxiliary batteries in the back of a vehicle. It protects against damage and catches any acid spills. Ryder has taken battery boxes to the next level with a range of inbuilt power options for all your devices. This battery box is designed to take batteries up to N70 in size. It includes brackets, fasteners and a strap. Everything you'll need to secure most installations. Hardwire it to your vehicle for a permanent setup or make use of the heavy-duty connectors and have a portable power solution. Whether you're using it in the vehicle or as a campsite power hub, there's an arsenal of options at your disposal. For phones, tablets and other tech, you'll find a twin USB outlet with 1 amp and 2.1 amp outlets. Next to this is a simple 12-volt power socket, great for the fridge, air mattress pumps and other small 12-volt appliances. These outputs are wired through a resettable circuit breaker for safety and convenience. For those items which suck a bit more power, there are two 50-amp connectors which are fused inside the battery box, or a direct connection via the external battery posts. Keep an eye on the battery level at a glance with the inbuilt voltmeter, and when it comes time to charge, you'll have plenty of options on the table. A direct connection through the external battery posts, a DC charger through the 50-amp connectors, or even solar and generator input if you're parked up at camp. For versatile, easy-to-use power, grab a Ryder powered battery box and make the most of your battery installation.